Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disease, COPD. Introduction. The lungs allow us to fill our blood with oxygen. Select true or false. Correct. The cilia help push mucus out of the lungs. Select true or false. Correct. Cilia are very small brushes that help push mucus out of the lungs. The mucus contains trapped dirt from the air. Smoking is the major cause of COPD. Select true or false. Correct. Smoking is the major cause of COPD. Smoking damages the lungs and decreases their capacity to exchange oxygen for carbon dioxide. Is it difficult to repair lung damage caused by smoking and other irritants? Select yes or no. Correct. It is very difficult to repair lung damage. It is always preferable to prevent the damage by quitting smoking and staying away from smokers. Thank you for using Explain.